Hello and welcome to this new video on how to write Temu bios. If you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have logged in and signed in successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And now you just have to look in the navigation bar. In the right side, there is orders and account button. Just click on that. And when you're inside orders and account, then you have to look in the left hand side. There are a list of things, and you just scroll down until you find your profile. Just click on your profile, and when you are inside your profile section, in the right side of your name, there is an edit button. You just have to click on there. And after that, the edit section will be opened, and there is a bio section and a bio box where you can write your bio, and you can just enter your bio as you wish. And there is a save button in the bottom, so you can just click on the save button and you will be able to write bio. So this is how you can easily write bio in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, leave a thumbs up button. Thank you.